We guide you through how to reset Android phone forgotten password. So the first thing you need to do is to power off your phone completely. Next, press and hold the power button and volume up button at the same time until the recovery mode screen appears. On some devices, it might be power plus volume down, so try that if needed. Once you're on recovery mode, use the volume buttons to scroll and highlight wipe data or factory reset. Then, press the power button to select it. Confirm by choosing yes or factory reset again. Wait for the process to finish. This will erase all data, including the forgotten password. After that, select Reboot System Now. Your phone will restart and be like new. And finally, set up your device again and make sure to remember your new password or save it somewhere safe to avoid this issue next time.